Sorting rearranges complete rows based on a column you choose, while filtering temporarily hides rows that do not answer your current question. Let's build a compact sales table so both effects are easy to verify. Enter 8 headers, create one generated data row, and fill it down to row 26. Then copy the generated rows and paste values only over the same range. The displayed data stays identical, but it no longer recalculates from row numbers when rows move, giving us a stable table for every sort and filter in this lesson. With A1 through H26 selected, open data, then sort range, then advanced range sorting options. Check the box for data has header row, so row 1 stays put as labels instead of getting sorted into the middle of the data. Choose revenue as the sort column, pick Z to A for highest revenue first, and click sort. Every entire row moves together, so item, region, and every other value stay correctly matched to their revenue figure, nothing gets scrambled. Now let's sort by 2 columns at once, region first, then revenue within each region. Select A1 through H26 again, open data, then sort range, then advanced range sorting options. Confirm data has header row again, set the first sort to region, A to Z, then click add another sort column and set revenue to Z to A. Click sort, and watch the result, rows group into north and south, and inside each region, the highest revenue items land right at the top. Sorting rearranges rows, but sometimes you just want to hide the ones you don't need without moving anything permanently. Select A1 through H26, open data, and choose Create a Filter. A small drop-down arrow appears in every header cell. Select the region header, then use the menu search to run Open Filter drop-down menu without relying on the tiny arrow. Uncheck South, click OK, and every south row disappears from view, still in the sheet, just hidden until the filter is cleared. Filters can also react to numbers instead of a fixed checklist. Select the revenue header, open its filter drop-down from the data menu, switch to filter by condition, and choose greater than. Type 2000 and click OK. Now you only see rows where revenue is above that threshold. You can stack filters too. With the region filter still active, this view shows only north rows with revenue above 2000, both conditions applied at the same time. One catch with a basic filter, it changes what every collaborator sees because it is shared with the whole sheet. Remove that shared filter first and confirm that every row returns. Then select the table and use the menu search to run Create Filter View. Open the region filter, clear the checklist, select only South, and click OK. The green filter view frame makes the separate state visible. This temporary view affects only your own screen, closing it returns to the full normal view without changing what collaborators see. Back in the normal view, select the table, open data, and create a basic filter once more. Open data again and choose Remove Filter, the drop-down arrows disappear and the full table remains visible. Sorting is different because it is a one-time rearrangement. To prove the safe recovery path, select the full table, open Advanced Range Sorting options, mark the header row, sort revenue from A to Z, and immediately press Ctrl-Z. The previous region and revenue order returns because undo happened before any other edit. Let's recap: data, then sort range, then advanced range sorting option sorts a range by one column, always with data has header row checked so labels stay put. Add another sort column to break ties with a second column. Create a filter turns on shared filter drop-downs for hiding rows by value or by condition, like revenue greater than 2000. Filter views give you the same power privately, without changing what your collaborators see. And Ctrl-Z is your fastest undo right after a sort, before you make any other changes to the sheet. In the next lesson, we'll build on this with data validation and drop-down rules to keep new data entry clean from the start.